Hello and nice to have you back with us. Today we're going to change a battery in the remote control. You can recognize an empty battery by the weak LED on the remote control and by the range. We need a blunt object to open the cover of the remote control. I use a spoon here. I open the cover of the remote control with a little pressure. Attention, the lid may only be opened when it is warm. If it is too cold, the brackets could break. We have a CR 2025 battery here. Now we need a small screwdriver to remove the battery. The new battery can now be installed. Watch the poles. Plus is above. The lid can now be put back on and pressed together firmly. Carry out a function test. I hope I could help you with this video. I would be happy about a thumb and a subscription. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, see you.